morning and welcome back, everyone. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with a check of your forecast. We've got a great weekend on the way, and we have earned it because over the last 4 days, we've seen some rainfall just about every day, unfortunately, and there's been plenty of clouds around. It's kind of been miserable. We're going to end all that this weekend with lots of sunshine for the most part. And you can see dry over the next 72 hours or so. Then our rain chances do start to pick back up, especially second half of Tuesday and into early Wednesday for the most part. But Thursday's looking dry, and then we have more rain chances coming on Friday. But in the short term, we should be in great shape, which is what most people want. They want that dry weekend so they can get out and enjoy it. Now today, we will see a very slow increase in our cloud cover as we go through our Saturday. Really won't create any issues if you've got outdoor plans. Maybe the kids have a sporting event today. Nothing to worry about. We do have a system brewing to our south and our west. It will start to toss some high-level cloudiness in our direction, as you saw there, second half of the day and into tonight. As this system gets closer, it is expected to remain to our south. Could it toss a shower or sprinkle into our far southern counties near the Tennessee line? Possibly, but the air is going to be so dry, I don't expect it to really reach the ground. And you can see with Futurecast what we're talking about. No problems through the lunch hour. Some clouds start to stream in by this afternoon and this evening, and by the overnight hours, here comes a little bit of that sprinkle activity right along the border. But again, I don't think that'll reach the ground because the air is so dry. Overall today, temperatures very nice, into the lower to mid 60s with those clouds slowly increasing as we go through the day. You can see everybody here across the tri-state enjoying an absolutely gorgeous, nearly picture perfect mid-spring day. Now tonight, as temperatures continue to cool, you get toward the Ohio River and into southern portions of Indiana and Illinois. There could be a little bit of patchy frost in the most rural of areas, but a better chance for that patchy frost, I think, will come tomorrow night and into our Monday, as temperatures are expected to be slightly cooler. But for Monday, for Earth Day, things are looking great with warmer temperatures into the upper 60s. We're into the 70s by Tuesday as we watch some showers to roll through here in the evening and the evening hours through early Wednesday morning. Then more shower chances on Friday.